Personalizing the additional wording on your invoices, quotes, and account summary helps create a more tailored experience for your clients. This video shows the steps taken on desktop. However, the process is exactly the same on a mobile. To start, simply access the menu using the hamburger icon in the top right corner. To begin, log in to your Pet Sitter Plus dashboard. Then navigate to the Admin tab. Then select Settings, followed by Invoicing, and finally click on Narratives. Pet Sitter Plus comes with some default narratives already in place. You can use these as they are, but if you'd like to add a personal touch, you have the flexibility to customize them. For example, to modify the text that appears at the bottom of your invoices, scroll down to the Invoice Closing Narrative bottom section. This is what it will look like on your invoice. Top tip: you'll find info icons throughout your system, offering extra help text beside key features. Just click the icon for a quick explanation of what each setting does. In this field, you can add more text, including any relevant merge codes. For example, to add your bank account information for bank transfer payments, enter your payment details here. Remember to click Update at the top of the screen to save your changes. Here's how the updated invoice will look and now provides clients with the essential details to make a direct payment. You can also customize the narratives for your quotes in the same way, such as adding in instructions for making a deposit payment. For account summaries, you have the option to edit both the opening and closing narratives. This allows you to tailor the messaging that appears at the top and bottom of the account summary PDF, which can be attached to an invoice. And they also appear on the home page of the client portal. Top tip: to make your narratives even more dynamic, you can use merge codes. These are placeholders that automatically populate specific client details, such as names, payment amounts, or due dates. To see the full list of merge codes available, navigate to Admin, and then Supporting Data, and select Email Templates. Look at the first template in the list, where you'll find a detailed guide on all the merge codes you can use. Simply copy and paste them into your narratives, and then check them on a test client account to make sure you are getting the result you wanted. For a more in-depth look at how merge codes work and the best ways to use them, check out our dedicated video on merge codes. You'll find the link in the description below. For example, in the opening section, you might add a friendly greeting. And in the closing narrative, you might also add your banking details that you added to your invoice. Click Update to save your changes. Here is what these changes will look like to the client. Examples of additional ways to use these narratives could be to invite clients to leave reviews, adding the text in the Account Summary Opening Narrative bottom. This simple addition encourages client engagement and helps build your online reputation. Or you could use the Account Summary Opening Narrative top to publicize your opening hours, particularly if you don't want clients to book services at the weekend if you only provide service on weekdays. Just like before, click Update to save your changes. Here's how your changes will appear on the account summary. Nice one! You've successfully customized the phrasing on your invoices, quotes, and account summaries in Pet Sitter Plus. To continue enhancing your experience, be sure to explore our learning zone for additional videos on next steps and other topics that might be useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below, or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about Pet Sitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with helpful tutorials and top tips to enhance your pet care business.